Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought we'd go through one that just landed. It is one of the larger ones we've ever had through here. There's a huge RC lift with 40-inch tires and fuel red chrome wheels, custom grille. This thing has just under 10,000 miles. It's actually a long arm suspension kit as well. Dual reservoir Fox shocks. Look at this thing. It is huge. Like I said, 40s on fuel red chromes, amp power folding side steps, which are always nice. All the fun stuff from Jeep, like leather interior and a touchscreen with nav. And something else that's a little touch that I thought was kind of cool is that sticker. Brings the windows all into one continuous color. I think it's just a nice breakup, especially on that white top with the white flares coming around to the back that it delete instead of carrying that enormous spare tire. So just a very, very cool car. About as close to a monster truck as you're gonna get without actually getting a monster truck. So for any other questions on this one, give us a call anytime at 502-459-9900.